It's below freezing in the garage and I'm starting my seeds in here.
Hello, welcome to 7 Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos.
Do you want to start your seeds in the freezing winter in the garage or in the cold area? Here's how I did it. So I split my garage into two and I used 4 millimeter plastic. You can use any other plastic to cut it into two. I said I'm gonna hit only one part of the garage, and then I use a table and I set all my seedlings on the table and I covered it again with another set of plastic. The plastic provides that greenhouse effect and maintain the humidity in the green in the small enclosure. Also have grow lights on them, and we have the seed tray sets also over there that comes with everything with the grow light on it, and they're all doing well. I've been growing a variety of things. I'm gonna show you guys later on in here, so you can do this and you can maintain the temperature. I also have a few heat mats on the seeds that I'm just starting. If you are planning to start seeds this winter or you're already doing it, drop a comment and tell me what you are growing first this season. The main reason I'm able to start my seeds in the garage is because of this Vevor heater. This Vevor heater comes with a thermostat that you can set your temperature and it produces a lot of heat to maintain temperature in the garage or in the greenhouse. So that's why I was able to start my seeds. I set my temperature so that way the seeds have optimum temperature. I'm using different trays and different containers to start my seeds. A good one will be, you can see here, I have my seed starting tray set and I also have the aluminum tray that I use. And the seed starting tray set is awesome because it provides optimal environment to start your seeds. As you can see here, these are the seedlings that I got from the seed starting tray set that I have. Comes with a grow light and a timer that times how often the light comes on for your seeds. I also use a aluminum tray like this. You can do a DIY project. If you haven't seen it, check out my DIY project. And here is it after a couple of weeks. The tray is doing awesome. Let me know in the comments below. Would you do something like this to start your seeds? And what did you think about my whole setup? Like, comment, save, share, and follow for more videos like this.